Right now, business is really great. A lot of musicians are reaching out for me to make them in-ears for them or for the band. And I was texting my sister back then, dude, I touched the ears of Gabby Alipe. Mainggit ka. Hi, I'm Matthew Marcelo. I'm the founder and owner of I&M Audio. Basically, my brand manufactures in-ear monitors for musicians and audiophiles. Right now, business is really great. A lot of bands, independent ones, are transitioning to in-ear monitoring from wedges. So a lot of musicians are reaching out for me to make them in-ears for them or for the band. First of all, the first musician I worked with, they're very close to my heart. Sam Saludsong of Urban Dub and Andrew Levchenko of Fast Pitch. The funny thing is, I did not know Sam was playing for Urban Dub before, but he saw my post in a Facebook group that I'm trying to make my own custom in-ear. So he was messaging me, man, pwede bang pagawa na ng in-ear sa'yo? And I was always rejecting, pre, tsaka na ang pangit pa nung gawa ko. So when I was a little bit more confident with the craft, sige dude, I think I can make a pair for you na. Then, one of the people na sobrang starstruck ako, sobrang idol ko to growing up, Gabby Alipe, of course. Sa totoo lang, nanginginig ako nun eh. Sa 12 Monkeys kami nun. Medyo madilim, pero of course, it's Gabby Alipe. That's the legend himself eh. And I was texting my sister back then, dude, I touched the ears of Gabby Alipe. Mainggit ka. She has a crush on Gabby Alipe kasi. It wasn't supposed to be a business. I have an engineering background, and even before in college and even before in high school, I always prefer to tinker with stuff and I like to create stuff. I just stumbled upon to a forum that has DIY in-ears, and because I was also an audiophile, it got me very interested in making some for myself. As a broke college boy, I can't afford to buy myself high-end IMs, especially custom ones. So that led me to studying and learning by myself how to manufacture in-ears. Basically, in-ear monitors are glorified earphones. From my clients, musicians, they tell me that using in-ear monitors are much easier than wedges because first, they give you better isolation from noise. In the long run, it can protect your hearing from damage. Plus, you can have a better audio experience because you can ask your tech to feed your voice so you can hear yourself better, or you want your instruments to be fed to you so you can hear your band a lot better too. So you can be in sync and in time all the time. For custom in-ears, we get the ear impressions. Ear impressions are your ear measurements. We can create a cast from your ear measurements and create the one we call shell. Can be made from silicone too or hard acrylic. I use hard acrylic for myself. Shape it up, then basically it's a custom molded to your ear. So it can only fit you or other people that basically have the same anatomy. If you have people that have the same anatomy of your ear, maybe they can wear those, but that's highly unlikely. Starting price for a one driver in-ear monitor is 8,650 up to 55,000. 55,000 pesos consists of 8 drivers per ear. I'm very honest that it's not cheap. That's 55,000. You can buy a lot of stuff for that kind of money, but because of how it performs, a lot of people are still buying it. There are also musicians that got it. Three from Sunkist Lola actually got that model. The brand is a one-man team. Everything is done by me. Socials, meetings, getting the ear impressions, manufacturing, R&D is all done by myself. So there's only 24 hours a day, but for me, medyo bitin siya. So that's one of my struggles. It's really easy to make a good sounding IEM, but it's really hard to make a great sounding IEM. I don't have a warranty written, but if you have a problem, just shoot me a message. I can get you squared up. Because this is not business for me. I still consider it as a passion project.